What's up guys, Falcon back again. Time to open up another Blister pack. What's up guys, Falcon back. So today we're going to open up another Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos Blister pack from Black and White. Hopefully we get something good. This is the last Blister pack I bought. So hopefully we get something good. Also, don't forget, at 300 subs, I will be giving away a code for Pokemon Blue for your Nintendo DS or 3DS. That way you guys can download it for free. So don't forget to share the channel and subscribe for that giveaway. So here we have a coin that came on that blister pack, Pikachu. And our 3 rare cards, the 3 legendary birds, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres. We see that's uno, dos, tres. Yep, uno, dos, tres. Fun fact for you guys. Anyways, here we are. Plasma Freeze and a Plasma Storm. So let's start off with a Plasma Freeze, see what we get. Here is a code for you guys. We have a Flareon, Eevee, Hood, Voltorb, Umbreon, rare, reverse holo, very nice card to have. And I have a Beedrill, rare, non-holo. I think I needed this one. And our last pack, Plasma Storm. Here you go. Suzuki. Reverse holo rare card. And our last card, rare, non-holographic. Alright, there you go. Not so many good pulls today, guys. Hopefully you guys get better pulls on those codes. Alright, so don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for some more openings. Catch you guys in the next video.